Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Nastazsa. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I love talking to you guys on there. So for today's video, I thought we would do a luxury home for less, how to make your home look expensive on a budget from a specific store. You guys have told me in the comments that sometimes when you go on websites or go into certain stores, you're overwhelmed by everything. So I thought these videos would be helpful just to kind of share with you guys the pieces that you can get also from these bigger box stores like Crate & Barrel, West Elm, Pottery Barn that are still within a budget or aren't super expensive that you can incorporate into your home without completely breaking the bank. Again, I've mentioned this before, not everything at Crate & Barrel or West Elm or any of these stores is thousands of dollars. They do have some things that will actually fit within your budget, and you'd be surprised at the prices that you will find at these places. So for today's video, we are talking about CB2. If you guys weren't aware, Crate & Barrel actually has another company. It is called CB2. I like to kind of refer to it as Crate & Barrel for apartments. Crate & Barrel a little bit more affordable, and it's just Crate & Barrel on a smaller scale. So you're not gonna find like crazy large, like 10-foot dining tables like you can find at Crate & Barrel. Everything's gonna be a little bit smaller. But if you guys enjoy these videos, be sure to let me know in the comments down below which store you guys would like me to do next. And without further ado, we can just jump right into the products. So I really like CB2 for decor pieces. I think they have really awesome decor pieces, and they're always super high quality, very unique, very timeless as well. I feel like they latch on to certain trends, but they do the pieces so well, and that's what I love them for. Everything that I've gotten from CB2 just kind of holds up really well, withstands the test of time, and like I said, even though it might be something a little bit more on the trendy side, it is going to last within your home for a long time because they don't make it look super like cheap trendy, if that makes sense. So here I'm sharing with you guys this limestone spear. This is something that I think is a great decorative decor piece. I just love the overall shape of it. I love that it's like a very unique piece. You can see that they have them all where they kind of just like flow together, so you can have a few of them or you can just get one. I personally just ordered one, but I think this is a great piece. It can match anywhere within my home just because it is a neutral. It is made from natural materials, so it just works really well. Again, this is a decor piece that's going to be able to stay within your home for years to come. It's not like super trendy to where it's not gonna look good in a few months or even a few years. So I really like it. Again, it's super durable, heavy, good quality. Next thing is this mirror. Now I have had this mirror on my wish list for quite some time. To me, this is just a more unique, a more simple, a more classic, timeless mirror. It reminds me of the Anthropologie mirror that everyone has everywhere, but a little bit more my style. That one's just like very traditional and not really my style. To me, that one looks very like, it looks like it belongs in like a more farmhouse like styled home. It doesn't fit well with like my aesthetic or my design taste at all. But if you're looking for a mirror that still has some sort of detailing on it, some sort of like something to like really make it pop, I love the detailing that this mirror has on the top of it. Again, it's also not hundreds of dollars, it's not thousands of dollars like the mirror from Anthropologie. It is at a really great price point. So if you're in the market for a mirror that you want to be more of like a statement piece, I would highly recommend going with this one. They have this smaller size, which is the one that I'm sharing with you guys for today. But if you guys were looking for a bigger option, again, it's not as expensive as the one from Anthropologie. They do have a larger one that also I've been eyeing for quite some time. Next, they have this collection of soy candles, and they smell really nice, and they come in this beautiful glass container that can be used after you are done. I think they are 100% worth the price. They are priced at a good price point. To me, for a good quality candle, this is like the normal price point that it should be at. but on top of it, it comes in this very unique glass container that I feel like they could have upcharged for, but they chose not to. And once you're done with the candle, you can use these containers, and I've seen a lot of people use them as like actual drinking glasses, and they just look so beautiful. These would even be great as like storage containers in your bathroom. You can pretty much do a lot of stuff with them. So again, I love the look of the candle and the uniqueness of the container, and I love the fact that you can also keep the container after. So to me, in my opinion, at the price point it's at, just for a container that looked like that, I'd probably spend a little bit more money and get it, but the fact that it's a candle with the container that you can keep after, again, these are a great option and they smell really nice. Okay, so in my opinion, I have never seen a faux Monstera plant that looks really high end, that looks really high quality. So CB2 is a great place to look for faux plants in general if that is your thing. I used to be all about them, and I still have 2 faux plants within my home, but I did more recently get some real ones. But this one in particular is actually the one that's giving me the most problems to keep alive. So if she doesn't make it, I will definitely be going with the CB2 option, because like I said, I have never seen a faux Monstera done right, and this one again just looks really high quality. It's a very unique statement faux plant that I feel like you could actually put in like a hanging planter, hang it up, and no one would really know the difference that it wasn't real. So that's a great option, a great place to look for faux plants. They have like larger, taller ones too if you guys are looking for like larger birds of paradise, palms, like faux plants in general. They have great selection on the website. Next, I just wanted to talk about this chair because it is such a great option if you are trying to get the current trend for less. Now, this isn't really a trend. This particular boucle fabric has been around for several years. It's just kind of more recently making a comeback. So if you're looking for something that is a lot more affordable, I would definitely go with this chair. Plus, I just love it. I love that it's also on a smaller scale. So I'm actually thinking of picking one of these up just to have as an accent chair in my bedroom. They come in white and black, but if you are decorating a dining area and this is your style, please get these as your dining chairs. They look beautiful as a set of dining chairs. Again, super high end, really high quality, and they aren't $1,000 each. That's mainly the price point that I've seen on a lot of these chairs. I've even seen them for $500, even $400. So the fact that this one is around $300, again, it's a more affordable way for you to be able to try out the trend within your home. And I just really like the durability of the fabric on these as well. Sometimes I'm intimidated by like white cloth, but I find that this cloth actually holds up pretty well and is very easy to clean. Next, they have a great selection of concrete planters, some of them as cheap as $9.99. You heard that right, $10. So again, sometimes we get intimidated by these stores, but they do have really cheap options and items that you can try out. So these concrete planters are awesome if you wanted to put the faux plant in it that I just shared with you guys. That would look great. It would be an amazing combo. Or if you already have plants within your home and you're just looking for some good quality planters, I love these concrete ones. They also have a really great selection of concrete furniture. If you were looking for any concrete furniture, this is specifically where I purchase all of mine. It does come from CB2. And with that, we are going to talk about the ivory side table that I recently picked up. I cannot wait for this to come in the mail. It is still on its way to me, but it is a great ivory cement piece. These would make great nightstands. They make a great side table for your living room. There's so many things that you can do to them, and they're very versatile pieces. But like I mentioned, I personally love shopping CB2 for concrete furniture. It tends to be a lot cheaper than furniture that you see other places. So a great option. And I love the fact that everything comes in the traditional like cement gray color. And then they also have an ivory version of it too, which to me just looks so luxurious. Next, I wanted to share with you guys these really awesome buffet lamps that they have. I get a lot of questions about mine in particular that I have. I got them from Home Goods quite some time ago, and they were really hard to find a matching pair. I personally never saw them again after that. So this is a great option if you're looking for that buffet style lamp. These are amazing. And then when I did see the ones that I got from Home Goods, like a version of them, they were super, super expensive. They were $500. So these are around $100. They're great. And I really love that they come with the shades as well. I love these so much. I just love the shape of the lampshade. I am thinking about actually switching out the shades on the lamps that I have, just kind of inspired by these because I think they're great. They come in 2 different colors, and picking up 2 of these is again a great option, especially for an entryway, or these are great to use as lamps by your bed. I know they're a little bit larger, but if you get a lower nightstand, they will work perfectly. Next is this pillow. It does come with the pillow cover as well as the pillow insert. So I think this is a great option, and it's at a good price point if you are looking for a really good quality pillow, especially because it does come with a good quality insert, and you can always use the insert again and just get a different pillow cover. So you're kind of paying a little bit more, but you're getting both of those pieces. And like I said, the insert will last you forever, and you can always switch out the covers. But I do like this cover. I've always liked it. Every time I go in the store, I'm like, it's just beautiful. The quality of the fabric that it's made from is impeccable. So I would definitely recommend this if it like matches your decor style within your home. And last but not least is this drinkware set, and the glasses actually start at $1.95. So they're around $2, which is a little bit more expensive than Dollar Tree, of course, but you're getting Crate and Barrel quality glasses for a really affordable price. This is why I say to not be intimidated by going into these stores, because sometimes the price point is exactly the same at places like Home Goods. That is why I wanted to make this video, because I definitely wanted to share with you guys that the price points at these stores aren't always super intimidating, and sometimes they're actually cheaper than going to your local Home Goods, and you're definitely getting something a little bit better quality. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, let me know in the comments down below what other stores you guys would like to see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!